The Diamond Supermarket Case Organizational Behavior. My name is Geraldine Ramirez Medina. Factor: main problems or weakness in the case. Proposal to improve the situation. Team building. That decision making is completely managed by Mr. Joaquin Perez, and no one else had the power to do so. Create high-performance team. One day a week, discuss improvement options and innovator proposal on the company. Leadership. Lack of congruence on the part of the leader. Work as team and transmitted this idea to all workers, since it is necessary that every zone fulfills their tasks in order to obtain results. Chase management. The supply chain is handled in a rudimentary manner, causing problems with suppliers or loss of perishable products due to poor logistics. Propose and innovate in the supplier ordering methodology and FIFO. In the warehouse, adjust performance gaps. Conflict management. There is organization work area with the company. There is no manual of function guidelines under policies. In a team review of the company objectives, appoint and restructure responsibilities according to the skill of the collaborators. Lack of emphasis on the importance of human capital does not increase worker potential and development. Matching jobs with the intelligence of your employees as their involvement and support is necessary for the development and application of innovation. Thanks.